See my hair now? Can you see? Jeez, I can't. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how I grew my hair from this to this in space of 2 months. I had a haircut in August. That was 2 months ago. This was my hair before. I had dandruff on my hair, so I decided to cut my hair so that I will treat it, to get it treated. So I cut my hair 2 months ago, treated it, and started growing it back again. In space of 2 months, I was shocked because I used amazing ingredients. See it here? See it? And this was it before 2 months ago in August. See, oh my goodness. So work, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. Let's go. The first ingredient we're going to be making use of is rice, because we're making fermented rice water. Wash the rice thoroughly with clean water. After you have finished washing it, get a clean bowl, clean container, anything you have at home that is clean that you can use to store it for days. Pour the rice inside it, the washed rice. Then pour water inside it, 1 to 2 cups. Fill the container, the bowl to the brim. Make sure to fill it depending on the quantity of rice you used. Make sure to use clean water. Everything should be clean, okay? Because you can even use it on your face, not only on your hair. Cover it and leave it for 3 days. After 3 days, you can make use of any other ingredient you want, but I normally use onion. Onions is rich in sulfur, which helps to stimulate collagen production. And collagen in turn promote hair growth, stop hair loss, stop dandruff. Grate the onions. Grate it. You can use grater, you can use blender, anything you have at home that can use to extract the onion juice, that can make it easy to extract the onion juice. Use it. After you have finished grating it or blending it, then you have to extract the juice. Do not add water to it if you want it to work faster. Adding water may dilute it, so you have to extract the onion juice. This is onion juice, and onion juice is very perfect for hair growth. If you don't know it now. And why mixing it with this fermented rice water is going to be magic. Okay, let me bring out my fermented rice water. When you bring out your fermented rice water, remember you have left it for like 2 days. You will see the color changes, the odor. It smells. Let me not lie to you, it smells. But please skip the smell. Don't even bother yourself about the smell, because you're going to be using it for the work you want it to do for you. So get the one you want, the one you will use, because you're going to be mixing other ingredients to it. So you have to get the quantity you want at that moment, the one you can, depending on the length of your hair. You understand? So then after, then you have to pour in your onion juice to the fermented rice water. Pour your onion juice inside it. After you have pour your onion juice inside it, then you'll have to mix these 2 ingredients together. These 2 ingredients is perfect. Apply it on your hair. Imagine like after opening it like this, I will use my hand like this. Put it here on directly to the scalp. Directly to the scalp. Directly to the scalp. After doing it, I will have to cut another side like this. Make sure that it goes directly to the scalp. Can you see the scalp now? I will use it like this. Directly to it. I will use it like this. Then I will do like this. Can you see? Can you see? Oh my goodness, I'm shocked. It's unbelievable. Like, it works. It works. You have to give it a try. Oh my goodness, you have to give it a try. It's going to help you out. That is how to do it. After you have done it, continue to do it all over your hair. Continue to do it all over your hair. Seriously. All over your hair. Do it. It's going to help you. After you have done it, then you have to wash it off in 2 hours. In 2 hours. Once you apply it, make sure to massage it gently. massage it, then you move to another side, leave it on your hair for 2 hours, then wash it off. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, okay?